Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to remove background in Canva on iPhone. Open Canva on your iPhone, tap the More to access additional options. Next, click Upload and select the image you want to edit. Once uploaded, tap Edit Image to open the editing tools. In the editing menu, locate and select Magic Studio. From the Magic Studio options, choose BG Remover to initiate background removal. Wait a moment while Canva processes and removes the background automatically. After the background is removed, tap Save in the top right corner. You can now choose to save the edited image directly to Canva, use it in a new design, or download it to your device. That's all. Hope this guide helped you. Thanks for watching.